When was the last time you sent a text that you actually wrote yourself? No help, no suggestions, no autocomplete finishing your sentence. Think about it. Because if you're pausing right now, that pause is the problem. We are living in the most connected era in human history. And somehow, we are becoming worse at connecting with each other. Not because we're lonely, but because we're comfortable. AI has made communication effortless. It writes our emails. It suggests our replies. It softens our tone, fills our silences, and smooths out our awkward edges. And here's what nobody's talking about. Every time a machine handles your words for you, your social muscles weaken, a little at a time. So quietly, you don't even notice it's happening. This is the comfort trap. Think about how you handle conflict now versus 2 years ago. Would you pick up the phone or ask AI to draft the perfect message first? Would you sit in the discomfort of a hard conversation or let a chatbot soften the blow so nobody has to feel anything? We outsource apologies we should own. We outsource gratitude we should feel. We outsource vulnerability, the very thing that builds real human trust, and it gets deeper. Young people today are growing up using AI to script their social lives before they've ever had the chance to fail, recover, and grow from real conversations. Rejection, misunderstanding, awkward silences. These aren't just painful moments. They're how we learn to be human. When AI removes the friction, it also removes the growth. We're not building better communicators. We're building people who can't function without a prompt. Now, I'm not here to tell you AI is evil. It's not. Used well, it's one of the most powerful tools ever created. But there's a difference between using AI to think bigger and using it to avoid thinking altogether. The real danger isn't AI making us stupid. It's AI making us passive. Passive in our words, passive in our relationships, passive in who we become. Your voice, messy, imperfect, unfiltered, is the most human thing about you. The moment you let a machine speak for you in your most important moments, you start disappearing from your own life. So here's your challenge, just for this week. 1 conversation a day, raw, unassisted, and fully yours. No AI warm-up, no suggested replies, just you, your words, and the other person. Uncomfortable? Good. That discomfort is you growing. Because the people who thrive in the age of AI won't be the ones who use it the most. They'll be the ones who know when not to.